Somebody said, watched one of my videos and said, this is a gold mine. Wow, I appreciate that. Great compliment. This is when I was doing a video about help desk to cybersecurity and trying to help people with that. Somebody said, how can I purchase this book? Some old book that I wrote. If you didn't know, I've got some books out there on audio, on Audible. If you like listening to books, I listen to books quite a bit. And I just want to tell you guys, I have a book out there. If you go to audible.com, if you happen to have it. If you don't have Audible, actually you're in luck. They'll give you like a free trial, but you can just type in RMF ISO. And these are two of the books that I have right now. Over 4 hours worth of content to listen to. If you're interested in this will also help you with CAP. If you happen to be doing a certification in CAP, it'll help you a little bit in Security Plus, but it's like a small portion of Security Plus, so it's not going to help you that much. But CAP, this helps you probably, this is 60% or more of the stuff that's on the test. It's not catered to you taking the test, but it will help you to understand like the practical implementation of risk management framework. So there's that. If you're interested in listening to this, it's on Audible. I'm also on Amazon. Just type in Bruce Brown, or you can type in NIST 800 Control Family. My book is out there as well. And then you can also order it directly from me on ConvoCourses.com. This is the site right here. Tons of free stuff here, by the way. People are really upset about selling products and things, but a lot of the stuff that I have on here is actually free. And if you go to YouTube, it's just so much free stuff on there. Like a lot of the stuff I say on here, or that's on my website, or that's in my books, it's there. You just got to dig for it. If you want a little bit deeper dive, then that's when you want to get the book or get the course itself. You know, when you're serious about this, that's when you want to start getting the book and deeper in this and asking direct questions.